Welcome to all of you. Today we will discuss about hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. In last lecture we have studied about hydrolysis of salt of strong acid, strong base, as well as hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base, and hydrolysis of salt of strong base and weak acid. Hydrolysis means it is a reaction in which cations or anions or both ions of salt react with ions of water, that is hydrogen ions or OH ions of water, to produce acidity or alkalinity or sometimes neutrality to the solution. And this depends upon the strength of weak acid or weak base which is formed during the reaction. Here are some examples of salt of type weak acid and weak base. Ammonium acetate, which is produced from ammonium hydroxide and acetic acid. Ammonium cyanide, which is produced from hydrogen cyanide and ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium fluoride, which is obtained from HF and ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium carbonate, which is obtained from carbonic acid and ammonium hydroxide. And all these acids are weak and bases are also weak. When in general this salt, that is salt of weak acid and weak base, it is generally represented as a Ba, and this salt when reacts with water, then it produces weak acid Ha in undissociated form and weak base, that is BOH, in the solution. And in this reaction, being a salt, it dissociates completely and gives you B ions and A ions. And both these ions, that is cations as well as anions, reacts with water and produces weak acid and weak base during hydrolysis process. And the nature of the solution depends upon the strength of weak acid and weak base. If weak acid is stronger than weak base, then solution is acidic in nature. If weak base is stronger than weak acid, solution is basic in nature. And if both are same, that is strength of weak acid as well as weak base is same, then solution is neutral in nature. You know that the relative strength of weak acid or weak base, it is generally measured in terms of dissociation constant of weak acid or dissociation constant of weak base. Dissociation constant of weak acid is represented by Ka and dissociation constant of weak base is represented by Kb. So if Ka is greater than Kb, solution is acidic in nature. If Ka is less than Kb, solution is basic in nature. And if Ka is equal to Kb, then solution is neutral in nature. We will see with example one by one. First, that is hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base, for which Ka, that is dissociation constant of weak acid, is greater than dissociation constant of weak base. Example of this type of salt is ammonium fluoride, which is obtained from weak base ammonium hydroxide and weak acid hydrogen fluoride. When such a salt, that is ammonium fluoride, is dissolved in water, it gives you a weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide, and weak acid HF. Now, in this reaction, ammonium ion as well as fluoride ion react with water and produces weak base NH4OH and HF. And here ammonium ions obtained from salt reacts with OH ions of the water and produces NH4OH and hydronium ions in the solution. And fluoride ions reacts with hydrogen ions of water and produces HF and OH ions. And dissociation constant of this HF is equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. And dissociation constant Kb for NH4OH is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. And here the NH4 ions hydrolysis to greater extent than fluoride ion, and therefore the reaction produces more number of hydronium ion, that is hydrogen ions, than OH ion, and therefore solution is acidic in nature. And therefore in a aqueous solution of NH4F, if you dip a blue litmus, then it turns red, and solution, it shows that the solution is slightly acidic in nature. The another type of salt, that is hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base, for which Ka, that is dissociation constant of weak acid, is less than dissociation constant of weak base. Example of this type of a salt is ammonium cyanide, which is obtained from weak base ammonium hydroxide and weak acid hydrogen cyanide. When such a type of a salt, that is ammonium cyanide, is dissolved in water, it produces ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen cyanide. And in this hydrolysis reaction, NH4 ions as well as cyanide ion react with water and produces NH4OH and hydrogen cyanide. And the dissociation constant Ka for hydrogen cyanide is 4 into 10 raised to minus 10, and dissociation constant of weak base, that is Kb, is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So here cyanide ions hydrolyzes to a greater extent than NH4 ions, and therefore reaction produces more number of OH ions than hydronium ion, and therefore solution is slightly basic in nature, as in a solution OH ions are present, and therefore red litmus turns blue in aqueous solution of ammonium cyanide. And the third case, that is hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base, for which Ka is equal to Kb. Example of this type of a salt is ammonium acetate, which is produced from ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base, and weak acid ammonium acetic acid. When such a type of a salt, that is ammonium acetate, is dissolved in water, it produces weak base, that is NH4OH, and weak acid acetic acid. And in this hydrolysis reaction, both, that is acetate ion as well as ammonium ion, react with hydrogen ion and OH ion of water and produces NH4OH and acetic acid. Both are weak, therefore they do not dissociate to a little extent. And here NH4 ions reacts with OH ion and produces NH4OH and hydronium ion, and acetate ion reacts with the hydrogen ions and produces undissociated molecule of acetic acid and OH ion. And here the dissociation constant values of Ka for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5, whereas Kb, that is NH4OH, for NH4OH is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. That means Ka is equal to Kb. That means the strength of both acetic acid and NH4OH is same, and therefore the solution is neutral in nature. So we will summarize the hydrolysis reactions of all the 4 types of salt. When strong acid and strong base type of a salt is there, then such a type of a salt do not undergo hydrolysis. Neither cation nor anion reacts with water, and therefore solution, in a solution the concentration, molar concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to molar concentration of OH ion, and solution is neutral in nature, and therefore pH of such a type of a salt is equal to 7. Examples of this type of a salt which we have studied in last lectures, that is NaCl, KBr, KCl, Na2SO4, NaNO3, and potassium chlorate, sodium chlorate. All these are the examples of salt of strong acid and strong base. Second type of a salt which we have studied, that is salt of type strong acid and weak base. When such a type of a salt undergoes hydrolysis, then cations reacts with water and produces acidity to the solution, and in such a cases pH is less than 7. And examples of this: ammonium chloride, magnesium nitrate, copper sulfate, or ammonium nitrate. In NH4Cl, cations are NH4 ions, so the NH4 ions reacts with OH ions of water. Here copper ions reacts with OH ions of water and produces copper hydroxide, like that. The third type of a salt which we have discussed in our previous lectures, that is salt of strong base and weak acid. In such a type of a salt, anions reacts with water and produces basic solution, and therefore pH is greater than 7. Examples of this type of a salt: Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, potassium acetate, sodium acetate, sodium cyanide, or sodium formate. All these are the examples of this type of a salt, that is salt of strong base and weak acid. In case of the potassium acetate, acetate ion are negative ion. So negative ion means anions. Acetate ion reacts with water. Or here in case of sodium carbonate, carbonate ion reacts with water. Or in sodium acetate, acetate ion reacts with water and produces basicity to the solution. And the last type which we have studied today, that is salt of type weak acid and weak base. And in such a cases, both ions, cations as well as anions, reacts with water and produces either neutral solution, acidic solution, or basic solution. And this depends upon the relative strength of dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base. Whenever Ka is equal to Kb, solution is neutral, pH is equal to 7. Example of this which we have studied, that is ammonium acetate. Ammonium oxalate is also an example of this type of a salt. Here the another example, that is Ka is greater than Kb, then solution is acidic and pH is less than 7. Example of this is ammonium fluoride. Ka is less than Kb, then solution is basic, pH is greater than 7. Example of this is ammonium cyanide. So I think you have understood the hydrolysis of all types of salt, and next time we will study about buffer solution. Thank you.